Any other issues, Sister Nicey?
Yes. One more. Him not...
What?
Well, Pastor Charles not pleasing me like one time.
Please you? What do you mean?
Yes, nicely. Please, you how?
You know what I'm talking about.
No, I don't know. I want you to tell me.
You're not standing at attention, Charles.
After me the soldier, sir. When me stand at attention for?
You want me to spell it out?
Spell it, draw it, do anything at all you want to do. Because I'm curious.
Your penis not standing at attention. It's not hard enough.
But you hear me then, child, I'm still living. Eh? And we have said to me, Nicey. And that you tell Pastor about me?
Me didn't have to tell somebody.
You think you're a robot, man? Eh? You want like you plug in. Eh? You tell Pastor say, me can't stand up. But you don't tell Pastor say you come like the song we said. Deep and wide. Deep and wide.
Charles, what you trying to say? You know say you're out order?
Out order? Me out order, woman.
Mr. and Mrs. Underwood. Stop this nonsense. No. You guys have neighbors, you know. It don't sound good. Brother Charles, your turn. What are some of the problems that you're having with Sister Nicey?
She chat too much. And she love people business. And she too enough. And she just want with you have sex like you're a robot. Nobody need rest.
So what is wrong with sex every night, Charles? We're two married people, Pastor not even wearing ring.
Correction dear. We are two old married people. With big picnic at our college. You think we still have in the team?
Brother Charles, Sister Nicey, this sound like some real serious problems you guys are having. Right now, I don't think I can help you guys, you know. This is way bigger than me.
Lord, you hear what Charles said about me? I will never forgive you for this.
And I will never forgive you to tell everybody something important.
I never tell everybody. It's Pastor alone me tell. It's only Pauline and Doris. And Martha. Only them.
Whoa. I know this was a very uncomfortable conversation, but we needed to get it out. Now that it's out, and we know each other's problem, it's time to compromise. Brother Charles, are you willing to stop flirting at church and lusting over the marriage counselors?
Yes, Pastor.
And Sister Nicey, are you willing to stop walk and talk with the business road?
We'll try.
And stop pressure your husband for sex?
I'll see what I can do.
Good. Very, very good. That's a start.
Well, thank you, Pastor, for coming in.
Pastor, it don't look good though. And it don't feel good either. If you know you have your husband and him can't stand that attention.
Nicey, stop it! I stand at full attention. Ask for it.
Wait, say.
Sister Nicey, wait!
Everybody say bartender.